treating us like
cheese flavor.
Welcome to my room at the NARS Italy brand trip. I have no words. I have the best room in the house. Miss Alicia Marie generously let me keep the master. She's behind the camera right now. So in case you're wondering why the videography is really good all of a sudden, it's 'cause we have a master at work. But I wanted to show you guys the room because it's absolutely insane and literally don't even know what to say about it. First of all, we have...
Oh my god.
Oh.
That scared the shit out. Oh, hello?
Oh. Hello. First of all, we have this amazing canopy princess bed. Please pan over. Brands will give you like room drops, which are like gifting and like product that you're supposed to use. First of all, today we got a Fendi scarf. I'm shook. I still have no words. We have the beautiful Afterglow liquid blush, which I will be using later. So the first day we got here, they gave me this Afterglow Sensual Shine lipsticks. These were here yesterday, and then they put this like beautiful map out. And look at these like cute personalized notes. I'm literally gonna keep this because I'm crazy. Or come over here, I guess. Look at this. This is luxury living, first of all. It's giving luxe. Most importantly, we have this man here. I don't know who this is, but he's now my new best friend.
Wait, I thought that was our great
Murray.
Grandma Marie.
Monster Murray.
Monster Marie.
Monsieur Murray. I don't know, but he just looks like a friendly fellow. So over there is my mess. Don't look over there. And then over here is the closet, which is also a mess. Is this not so Kim K? Like, everything about this hotel is so aesthetically appealing. Also, two sinks, you know, I wash my face in here, I brush my teeth in here.
Obviously.
And then look at the shower. There's two shower heads.
Oh, yes.
Get in there. And then, okay, so first of all, I'm stupid. So the first day, I pushed this in, and I was like, oh, how do you get in? You have to be so skinny to get in. And then I was like, oh my god, like, I can't shower, Alicia, help me. And then I pulled it. And then I was like, oh.
I can't shower, Alicia, help.
Well, thank you so much for coming on the room tour, and thank you so much, NARS, and thank you, Alicia, for giving me the master bedroom.
Congrats on getting invited on your first brand trip. That's huge.
So we are headed to do some wine tasting today. I am super excited because we get to meet like all the other creators today and like the global team. There's actually a lot of international creators here, which I think is so cool. I'm excited to meet everyone and mingle. Hopefully everyone's nice. You know, beauty doesn't really have the reputation of being the nicest influencers, but we'll see. Look who it is. The star has arrived. It's Bergen. Oh my fucking god. Look at these NARS shuttles. This is insane. It's giving Secret Service. We finally made it into the car. It is just us three, finally reunited as it should be. The trouble is back in action.
The trouble.
Remy actually just needed a separate car for her Birkin.
Yeah.
This is so beautiful. This is probably the most beautiful place I've ever been. It's insane.
Now we start and we're gonna explain you better the experience through our walk. Okay, so let's start in this way.
Here we go.
We are a producer of extra virgin olive oil. We produce also fruit and vegetables, and of course wine.
Look at this. This is insane. Are you kidding me? It's giving Shakespeare.
I didn't know you had a Birkin, Miss Remy.
Oh my god. We just sat down and they're bringing out all the food. Everything is so good. We have some olive oil, focaccia, some feta cheese. This looks so good on camera.
Yeah, no, I got
So pretty.
I can't not.
I need the celebrity chef to explain this.
So that's sun-dried tomatoes
Okay.
with capers and oil.
Do I drink it?
You probably put some on the bread, I'm assuming.
Good soup.
You don't like
Good
soup.
soup. You can
Good
eat
soup.
soup.
We're about to fuck up some burrata.
The olives, Baresana olives, super tasty.
Thank you. Oh my god. So his mother made this pasta. I'm really excited to try this. Look at this. This is beautiful. Oh.
Like the depth of the cheese flavor.
Oh my god.
It is.
This is amazing.
That is.
So they plant roses on the sides because the roses will die if the vineyard is sick. So you can kind of see the roses here. And if the roses die, they can actually save the vineyard before the grapes die.
Dolce Vita! Shut up! This is so cool!
This is where you sit on the Iron Throne.
This is where my man's is being bad. He goes to the doghouse.
Oh, you guys, TK is stuck in the bathroom. Please SOS. Someone get an axe. I ordered some room service for us. I got a little bit of pasta, some fruit, some prosciutto. All right, y'all, it's a little bit later. We are back from the little wine taste testing, and we have a few hours until the dinner tonight. In the meantime, I decided to book some spa services, and I'm getting my first massage ever. I'm not the biggest fan of massages, but TK said she had one and it was so good, and everyone who's had a massage here has highly recommended, so we're just gonna try new things. I'll let you guys know how it goes. On our way to the Afterglow dinner. This is like kind of like an intro dinner where everyone finally gets to meet and mingle. I'm super excited. Also, I'm wearing white, which is scary, but we're committing to the bit. You guys, we're walking into the party now. We saw it from far away and it was crazy town.
Give
This is crazy.
Your Zara
The
green.
queen is here. Stunning. Good morning, vlog. Today is another amazing day in Puglia. I'm super excited. Today we are going to the beach club, so I have like a little blushy moment going on. I use a NARS Glow blush in Brazen, and I feel like it's definitely my color. So cute. I'm obsessed with this blush. It is my favorite product right now. Every day is a serve. We are chilling at the NARS Beach Club. The hair is flying and my hands are sticky with gelato.
Sorry, I just zoned out.
You guys, so I see a commotion happening here with a bunch of photographers. I knew you would get on it.
Here.
She would get down here.
All right, girl.
Hello everyone. So now we're at the Beach Club restaurant and we're having like a little family dinner. It started raining, which was so crazy, so we all just like ran under here and hid. Look at this gorgeous plate of food. The pasta has arrived. It looks so delicious. There's some mussels in that one. We are on our way to another little boat day. I'm super excited. NARS has literally been treating us like quite literally royalty. We're the smallest creators here, and can I just say, yes.
Oh my god, but I love that though.
Both of us are the smallest creators here, and
Go
the fact that
micro.
like we've been treated so well is just insane.
No, they've been so great.
They've been treating us like Kylie and Kendall.
Literally.
We made it to the boat. Oh my god, this is so fancy.
Next clip, I'm laying there.
Hello you guys, I am back from the boat day. I feel like I haven't caught up with you guys like at all this trip and haven't had like a chance to talk to the camera, kind of tell you guys like the tea and like everything I'm feeling. Basically, we got in and it was like we hit the ground running. We had like a dinner. It's just simply iconic from like the second you get in. So the second we got to the hotel, we were greeted by the NARS team and then they took us to our rooms. This hotel is probably the best hotel I've ever been to in my life. It is just absolutely stunning, but of course it's NARS and everything NARS does is like aesthetic and iconic and chic. Everything about the brand NARS is everything I hope to exude in life. So it's just like so cool being part of a trip for a brand that I love so much and I've been using for so many years. It's just like such a privilege. Like obviously this is not normal life, clearly. Usually brands will pick a very small amount of creators, and let alone most brands just pick the biggest and baddest and hypest creators. So I think it's so cool that NARS invest in relationships with like smaller creators and like up and coming people, and literally the list is so diverse, which makes me feel so much more comfortable and excited about this trip. There's so many people of color, obviously something that is important to me as a person of color. So overall the trip has been just so beautiful. There's been like little excursions every day and everything is so thoughtfully planned out, and we've been having like little room drops which are like giftings. I have done a lot of firsts because, you know, I'm out of the country, we're trying new things. Like I got like a massage for the first time. I don't really like a stranger touching me. Well, we're here, we'll try it. The group of creators that they chose, like everyone's been so nice and friendly, and there's also a lot of international creators here, which I think is so cool. Like I love meeting people who aren't from America and kind of like learning about their culture and stuff. It's nice to see all areas of the world represented. I'm trying to get like as much content as I can, like make like TikTok vlogs for you guys, and obviously like these long vlogs, and get like photos and videos. It's been like a little hard balancing getting the content, trying to like get it out quickly. They gave me this like designer beach bag for like the beach day today, and I feel very spoiled right now. It's just crazy because, like I've said before, I've never had the privilege to leave the country, and like the fact that if I never started my channel and I never like put myself out there, I wouldn't have even had like an opportunity like this. So I'm super grateful to NARS for including me and inviting me. I'm just happy that I can share this content with you guys so you guys can kind of share the experience with me, because you guys got me this opportunity. So I want you guys to feel like you're there with me too, you know? It's kind of like you're there in spirit, if you know what I mean. All right, everyone, I am ready for the dinner tonight. We're gonna rush over there right now. We just got to the lobby. Everyone looks so good, including Cal. Thank God Cal came.
Wait, act like you're like taking photos of people.
I don't even know how.
It is raining and it is so pretty, but I am wearing white, so hopefully I don't get too wet. It's starving. It is pouring and we just got to the wine tastings. It looks so beautiful and it's storming. It is literally enchanting. Love the rain. Also, everything is so beautiful. And then of course the star of the show is the NARS Afterglow blush. It's like a candy machine.
Oh, that is
Oh
awesome.
my god.
And, all these damn nails.
Oh my gosh.
Who wants brazen and Dolce
Me.
Vita?
I want brazen.
You're brazen.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're having Miss Remy Ashton on. I'm so excited because I've always loved her videos for so long. We're going to be applying the NARS Afterglow Liquid Blush.
This is your camera, by the way.
Thank you. The Afterglow Liquid Blush.
Wow! We are at the dinner, well, not dinner. This is the Afterglow Liquid Blush Artistry Experience.
We are the heel of the boot from Italy, so we are the east part of our nice country. That's make our region, that's the main characteristic of our land. Senses of acidity and minerality.
Oh my god. Wrong day to wear white. She's leaving us.
Have some fun.
Bye, Kale. Hope you had fun.
It's such a sad goodbye.
Look at all of this. Oh my god.
I think it's going to do a scoop of the chocolate.
Chocolate is so good. sipping on you like a Coca-Cola. All right, everyone. Today is the goodbye dinner. It's like our last little mingling with everyone. And I can't believe how fast this trip went by, but also felt really long at the same time. Look at this table setup. This is beautiful. Hello, you guys. It is a new day in Italy. I am having so much fun. It is our last day and we are going to go explore this little like beach town, and they have a restaurant in a cave, which I am so excited to eat and see. I'm gonna share with you guys everything. We're gonna go head over to the lobby and meet Jamie. It's just gonna be the four of us today. I'm just so excited to hang out with Jamie one-on-one a little bit more before we leave, which I'm so sad. Thank you guys for watching, because obviously if you guys didn't watch me, I wouldn't get opportunities like this. I'm just happy I can like share the experience with you guys so you guys can enjoy at home too. Just got to the restaurant. This is like the famous cave restaurant. You can see photos of it on the TV. Down the hole we go. There's a lot of steps. Oh my god. You guys, I'm so shook right now. If you're coming to Italy, please come here. Look at this. This is magnificent. You guys, we are literally eating in a cave. I'm so shook. I think this is like one of my favorite parts of the trip. It's so fucking beautiful. Cheers. Salute. You guys, look at this insane bathroom that is literally inside a cave. I'm so shook. Oh my god. Look at this. This is the bathroom. Are you kidding me? This is literally the nicest place I've ever been in my life. Are exploring the town now. It is so beautiful, you guys. Look at this. And I found a cat. I found a friend. Hello. Hello, friend. Oh my gosh. Also, there's like this really cool statue. Driver is educating us on all of the cool tourist spots. You guys, we are at this insane cliff. You guys, I had to switch over to vlogging on my phone because my camera died, but look at this. Absolutely stunning. We are now in the little shopping area. We're gonna do a little bit of luxury shopping. Apparently things are cheaper here because there's no shipping fee, and you can also get your taxes off. We're at the Prada store, and then we're gonna go to Gucci and check it out. This is so chic. Look at these bags. I love this puffer. I think I want that in black. Oh, they have it in black. I spoke too soon. Jamie buying her first designer bag in Italy. Iconic. It's so cute. So proud of you.
She's feeling rich.
Congratulations.
So excited.
Good work on this trip. Again, thank you so much, Nars, for inviting me on this trip and hosting me on my very first brand trip.